What is going on YouTube? GCal Games here, and today we're back to another video. And on this video, I'm going to be bringing a beginner's guide for Slayers Unleashed. Now, I brought a lot of these in the past. I think I did 3 videos in the past, and they're my most viewed videos here in the channel. So I'm decided to bring a very updated version because I believe my last one was when sound breathing released. I'm not 100% sure, so it's quite outdated. So I decided to bring a new version for you guys. Thank you so much for the support in the other ones, and I took a lot of the comments that you guys got and a lot of questions that you guys had in my previous videos to explain on this one, because I realized there's a lot of stuff that I kind of just went through it and I didn't really explain. So let's go ahead and get started. Once you join the game, you're going to choose your gender, and then you're going to click customize and create your character. I don't know how it works right now. I'm pretty sure you spawn in with water and Tomioka. I don't know if it's the same thing right now, but I believe it is. Now, I don't even know what mark I have. I haven't played this game in a really long time, and I have not checked this in a while, and for some reason it won't even tell my mark. It says I don't have a mark. Apparently I have to awaken it. Probably I didn't awaken mine yet. But anyways, once you do that, you want to click play. Now, this game works weird than other Demon Slayer games. On this game, you do not choose a breathing style from characters. So a lot of people are asking me, where do I get breathing styles? Where do I get breathing styles? Blah, blah, blah. You don't get them from the quest or defeating missions. What you want to do is you want to come up in chat and you want to put this little symbol and then code and then whatever code is that. So you guys can search up a list of code. There's so many codes, so many codes. I'm not going to go through them right here, but if, for example, let me re-roll a mark, for example. I'm going to use a code for mark re-roll real quick. I have their Discord on my second monitor pulled up right here. And code, you just type in code and then whatever you want to put. So it's new mark 1. So there, I typed that in, and then I got Shinazugawa mark. Okay, pretty cool. I'll keep the Sonomy mark for now. But basically, that's how you get breathing. Of course, there's codes for breathing, demon arts, race, clan, reset. All those are doing with codes. Now, another thing I've seen a lot of people asking is, what missions should you grind on? Now, you shouldn't really do any missions. There's no point. You do actually need to do one mission so you can buy your first sword. So you guys are going to talk to this girl right here, Megan. She's going to give you a teddy bear mission. It will show you in the match where do you got to go. So just walk to that place, get her teddy bear. It should give you enough money for you to come over here to the katana shop. So you guys spawn right here. I'm going to do it slowly again. So you guys spawn right here next to this Naruto kid, and then you come this way and you have the katana shop right here where you're going to be able to select 1 of 3 swords. So this one I believe is the most expensive one. It doesn't really matter. They're all really the same exact thing. And being honest, after you defeat boss fights when you're at a higher level, you won't even need those swords. But whatever. Get yourself one of those swords. Choose a breathing style. Get a sword. Now you'll see that for you to level up your breathing, you want to come over here to the skill tree, and these are all the breathing styles in game and everything. So this is blue flame breathing. I haven't even seen that. Pretty sure they're literally the exact same thing. Yeah, there's unknown fire, and then this would be like rising scorching sun, cobalt ripton, or universe. Okay, that would be blazing universe. Okay, they updated the game a lot ever since last time I played. But basically, here's what you see. So for example, I have mist breathing, so you can see my line over here, and for me to be able to get moves, I get with skill points. So it won't let me see because I already have the moves for mist breathing, but as you can see, I have 100 stat points, and then I'll just buy moves with those stat points. So basically, that's what you want to do. Now, once you guys select the breathing style, you're not gonna have any abilities because you don't have enough stat points. So what I recommend you guys doing, since you're still pretty low level, is definitely using those double XP codes and coming over here. Hit this just a little bit more so you get a little bit strong. So I'll show you guys. If I get my sword out and you start hitting it, I'm doing a lot more damage, but you just get 12 XP. Actually, I'm getting 12 XP. You get 6 because I do have Kamado. So Kamado and Tsukigini clan, they both give you double XP. So technically, with double XP, I get quadruple XP. But whatever, as you guys can see right here, this not quadruple XP, just triple XP. But yeah, right here, as you can see, you just want to grind this a little bit. I would say get like about to level 10 or 15. Then you can go do another mega mission, or you can try to do another mission. I would say just literally just get the mega mission and then come down here to this dude, because you wanted the mega mission so you can do more money, so you can get more money. And then you want to talk to this dude right. Oh, where did the dude go? Is it this dude? Hold up, they moved the dude. Oh, right here, the dude's right here. It's this guy. They just moved them to inside, I guess, the safe zone. Yeah, a lot of people are complaining that it was outside the safe zone. Basically, you want to talk to this dude. It's gonna cost you 100 yen, and then you want to teleport to the Sagiri mountain right here. Pa, 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 pa. Once you teleport to the green mountain, you want to come over here and you want to hit this rock right here. Now this rock will give you more XP than before. Now remember, that one will be giving you 6 unless you have those clans. It will give you 12. Now the rocks, as you can see, it's giving me 36, so it's really it's just so much better for you to do it over here. I get double XP, meaning you're getting 18 every time you hit it if you're another person. But yeah, oh, this guy's trying to find me, I believe. I don't know, is he? Should we find him back, guys? Look at this dude, he's already almost dead. There you go. Don't try fighting me, bro. Come on now. Anyways, I think I got a lot of XP from killing him. And then basically that's all you want to do here as a game mountain. Now this is an AFK method. Now let's say you actually want to play the game. Now really, for you to be able to actually play the game and level up on this game, you really can just do missions back in the beginner area. So let's go back to the beginning area of the game. So it was Concho Village. So the thing is, on this game, if you want to level up by actually playing the game, you really just want to walk around these. There's no really secret of grinding for XP. Really, the missions are kind of balanced in this game, so there's no like secret mission for you to be able to do it. But I definitely recommend to try to AFK so you reach at least like level 200 or 300. Once you are level about 200, you should have enough to buy all your moves. If not, you can level up just a little bit more. And you also want to make sure you put stuff into your stat points right here. As you can see, oh, I don't have them maxed out because the game updated a lot and they raised the cap, so now I gotta level them all up again. But I would say mainly put them into agility for you. Not actually, no, not agility, never mind. Don't put into agility. That's the opposite of what I was gonna say. Because agility, yeah, you get to roll more, but literally there's a glitch where you don't stop rolling at all. So agility, leave that for last. I would say mainly put into strength and defense. These are the two main ones. Sword damage, the reason why I don't say put as sword damage at first or second is because sword damage is M1s, and you really will not be using M1s at all in boss fights, only maybe in PvP and missions and stuff, but I don't think you'll be using things at all. But basically just want to put it into that. Now again, you may be wondering where are all the boss locations. So I'm not gonna go to over there because I also want to keep wasting all my yen. But if you guys come over here, you guys talk to this dude right here, and you will see that, bro, why is he hitting me? Why is this dude? Let's go outside the safe zone. Basically, I'm gonna try to explain why I talk to this dude. Come on, bro. Scrap, come on. Come on. Oh, look at this dude, bro. Oh, look at him running, bro. Why are you running? Why are you running? Come on. Come out of the safe zone, bro. Why are you out of the safe? Look at him. Look at that bozo coming back, looking while you're running. Look at him going back in the safe zone. So bad, lol. Anyways, guys, let's go back over there, and basically you want to talk to the dude over here, and you want to go to the Slayer's HQ. When you go to Slayer's HQ, just like every single boss fight is there except Shinobu, where she's a butterfly stay. I'm not going to show the locations right now, but it's literally in there. You literally just go over there and you walk into the Slayer's HQ, and it's going to be there, all of them. There's really no, it's pretty self-explanatory when you go over there. But to defeat bosses, I definitely recommend these breathing styles. I recommend you guys having mist breathing. Serpent breathing would be good for a boss killer. I don't think I recommend thunder breathing because it's pretty, like, it's not close. You can do the attack from far away, but you end up like the recoil for it is pretty I definitely recommend being hybrid and having mist and tamari ball if you don't have sun or moon breathing. So I definitely recommend those for you guys. Definitely go for that, and then eventually go for sun or moon breathing, whatever you want to get. Now for you to be able, I already know there's gonna be people commenting, for you to get sun breathing you need to be a human over level 300, and you can go defeat the Tanjiro boss, the Orishi boss. And if you have Kamado clan, you instantly get sun breathing once you defeat it. Otherwise, it's a 5% drop chance. Same goes for moon breathing, but moon breathing, you can be a demon or hybrid, doesn't really matter. You go defeat him, and if you have Tsukakini clan, you're able to get it 100%, or else it's a 5%, I believe, unless they changed that since last time I played. But you know, it's basically that. It's one of those. I believe it's 5% still. Now again, as I said, a lot of people were asking me for other ways to make XP, and really you could just do these. You also want to do final selection, but final selection is really not important in this game. I still personally have not done final selection because the really dumb thing is that you do need 4 people to start final selection in this game. So it's kind of annoying because we don't always have 4 people online to be able to do it, and it's just, you know, I really haven't got the time to sit down with 4 people and actually do final selection, and you rarely find any randoms in there. So unless you look in their Discord server for them, you could maybe end up doing final selection. But again, it's not really something you need to do final selection because other stuff also works out. Most boss fights, I mean, that are not Tahashiras, they you need 4 if you like the Rui boss fight. I'm pretty sure you need like 3 or something like that, or 2. something like that. But the hot shot boss fights, you're by yourself, so you can't do it with friends, like the Shinobu, everything. And you get boss drops from them, for those who don't know. So I'll show you guys my inventory right now. I have some boss drops. You can see the Giyu Haori, the Obanai Haori, the Rengoku Haori, and the Insect Nichirin. Now each boss drops you a Nichirin and a Haori. Pretty sure Mitsuri is the only one who doesn't drop a Haori. She only drops her Nichirin. Obanai drops both of them. I'm trying to think. Pretty sure everybody else drops everything, and the new Guillaume boss is most likely also going to drop his weapon. So I'm pretty sure that is it, guys. That is really all the tips. Mainly AFKing in this game is going to help you a lot on the leveling up system. Hopefully I cleared out all your questions. Comment down below if you have any other questions. I'll make sure to answer your comment, everybody. I'm going to try to answer as soon as possible, or if other subscribers also answer, that is great. But comment down below. I'm just trying to help out the beginners to this game. But you know, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.